Okay, so today we'll go for SAP FIORI overview. So here we have two methods. One is easiest method. It's work and it's support for functional consultant. And we have another process. It's nothing but you can customize your own catalogs, and you can create your own groups. You can create your own customization stream method. Okay, so today we'll go for one method. So that's called how to customize our own catalogs. Basically, the overview of FIORI, I'm not going to discuss today theoretical part. We'll discuss later. The concept wise, for example, this is your S4 HANA finance server, main server. SAP Launchpad. SAP FIORI apps. And simple, you can just you feel it's a front-end tool. It's a back-end tool. Technical tool. Okay. Whenever you want to develop your FIORI app, you have to start your connections from S4 HANA. All connections are activate in this position. If you want to customize, any screen or any kind of categories, here you have to activate in the technical screen. So this is your front end screen. I will show you. So now I'm going to log in the front end screen. It's called S4 HANA Finance screen. And this screen is equals to this one. It's called front end screen. So now the Launchpad. Launchpad is nothing but whenever you want to create any apps. So what you need exactly? The first you need catalog. Ante mana point of view, you can call it as a category. In category, what you need? Group. So after group, what you have required? It's called tile. Tile is nothing but your app box. Okay, your box. Then after, what you have to know? Link, mapping, connection, activate into main server, activate into Fiori, activate home screen, and user can utilize. Okay, simple. Once again, I will explain. Whenever you want to create any particular app, we are going to create here. And here we will use. This is called backend screen. And here your SAP end users will work. And here the consultants will work. And here the Fiori consultants will work. Okay, so here we have two methods. One is functional. The second one is technical. Technical means we'll write script and coding and customization. It is belongs to ABAP. And this is belongs to functional consultant. So you have to create the launch. So whenever you want to create any particular app, what exactly you need? The first you have to requirement for business role. This is your basic requirement. Okay, so simple. One of user, they wants to post one document, maybe purchase order. So they wants to post purchase order from SAP Fiori app. This is the question. The end user is accessing Fiori apps. Then he entered purchase order, even trying with purchase order keyword, but still the particular app is not available. Means that option is not available in Fiori. So now I got one particular ticket. In this situation, first of all, I have to know what is the business role of purchase order. So before that, what you have to learn, what is purchase order, what is purchase order transaction code, and what is the role and what is the purpose we will use. Because the end user will raise the question, because they are posting only purchase order. So you have to know what is the purpose of purchase order. Maybe is the GL accounting, maybe purchase accounting, maybe asset creation, vendor creation, customer creation, ledger creation, any one T code, particular T code. So first we will gather basic information. So we have a predefined library from SAP. It's called SAP FIORI Apps Library. When you click here, we get one pop-up. So here I'm going to access SAP FIORI Apps Reference Library. So automatically we get here. And please try to check here. All apps means it will work for the whole categories. But please try to understand here. SAP FIORI Apps on BTP. Yeah, 1 minute. It will take time. Yeah, please wait until process. Okay, I'm going to access again. Okay, so look here. Basically, we have so many other options. So I'm using all apps. Open out the all app. Okay. So here we have so many different kind of options and try to check. So I'm going here. Purchase order. Look here, my box approve purchase order average delivery, open purchase order, display purchase order, create purchase order, create return order, return creation. Water. So when we have this so many different kind of options, because you know star symbol activate ayundi, manage purchase order version 2. So for example, from here you have to find out. Sometimes it is difficult to find out because we have so many options. Why we are having so many options? Because SAP S4 HANA having from 1509 till 2023, we have so many versions. All versions available, predefined library apps are activated here. So look, I'm having one option here, create purchase order advance, ME21N. So sometimes it is difficult to find out. Then what you have to do? Just you click here ME21N. ME21N. Thank you. Automatically we get options here. So just find out that keyword. Create purchase order in advance. Always you try to find out what is your app launcher title. This is your keyword. Whenever you want to find out, must and should, you have to search by using launcher title only. Because in SAP S4 HANA Fiori, there you can't type ME21N. You have to access by title only. So in this situation, just go to access one particular transaction code. So here you can access any T code, any method, maybe vendor creation, maybe customer creation. So name of the launch pad is this is your, try to find out here. ME21 N is the keyword. After here we have so many different kind of information. So what is the product and what is the purpose we are going to use purchase order. And here you can check each and every category. That's make more information. Then after go to implementation. And before that you try to check and what is your at present version. Right now we are in 2021, maybe 22 or 23 or 20 based on the available source. Here you can select your particular application information. Important SAP notes, installation, configuration, support. Just go to the configuration. Business role, business group, business category, technical catalog for front end. Inside of the procedure, create is a action, purchase order. Create purchase order is the title, otherwise create purchase order in advance. You have two different titles for the GUI. Transaction code is ME21. So in this situation, first of all, try to business role. Here you have SAP BR Central Purchaser, SAP BR Operation Clerk, ACM Purchaser. So here you have so many different kind of options. So right now, I'm going to copy this particular option. You can choose any one, it will work. Okay, it can work the second one or third one or fourth one because the ME21 is activated in the business role. Copy. This is your business role. Then after, come back here. This is your front end screen just before we have discussed. Now I'm going to access FIORI apps. Before FIORI apps, I'm going to use SE01. It is nothing but our user ID. Okay, so I'm going to delete each and everything. So here, have a zero. I have a zero users, zero rollouts. If I go with my FIORI apps and please check the screen. This is my FIORI app. This is my, I don't have any things because all it's clear actually. In the morning create this one. So we can't delete home. That is predefined. So this is your actually is an empty FIORI apps. We don't have any configurations. According to the project, according to the team, you have to create different catalogs. Each and every catalog is nothing but your own available apps information. According to the end user's requirement, you have to prepare the group and assign the catalog information, and they will utilize by client's requirement. Right now, this is called your SAP FIORI app. Right now, I have deactivated each and every option. Come back to the screen. This is FIORI app. So now I'm going to access in SAP Launchpad. It's nothing but technical. So here I'm going to technical. For the technical, you have a one particular T code. No, this is SAP. Okay. This is called Launchpad. So we have a predefined shortcut key, transaction code here. Here also you have to log in directly. It is not going to be work. Okay, so basically the direct accessing, but you have to give your user ID and details. Okay, when you click here, automatically your system will give two basic scenarios. This is called Launchpad. Here you have two options. It's called catalog. It's called grouping. So first of all, we have to create catalog. Okay, so here I'm giving my catalog name is Z SKI underscore catalog. So here I'm giving my ID is. So here what we are giving title Sree Krishna Infotech catalog. This is my identification name and this is my official ID for my catalog. When we start any catalog, must and should start with Z letter. Say. So automatically your catalog is started. After catalog, go back to the normal. Here, this is your business role. This is your business catalog. Look here, purchasing, purchase order processing or purchase. So here I'm going to select here my catalog. This is a basic catalog. Going to copy. Write your catalog on enter. This is your predefined catalog from your SAP. Open. Change purchase order, display purchase order, create purchase order. So I'm having one purchase order. Then always you have to check what is the semantic objective and action. What is action? To create. Look here. Business catalog. Keyword. What is the keyword? Purchase order without space. Action. Create. So always you have to check this. Go back to process. And this is purchase order. I'm going to just copy and drag here. We got reference. What is our catalog reference? ZSKI underscore catalog. When I click here, automatically the system will generate the catalog. And please find out your SKI underscore CATALOG catalog and enter yes. I got my catalog. Enter. Automatically your catalog is accessed. Then after what you have to do, click on target mapping. You have to make the internal connection. Yes. So what is your purchase order create, right? Purchase order is your objective name, action name is create. Please check the screen. purchase order. In this situation, just you have to select here and make the create reference. Once if you click reference, again the system will ask you where you have to map this existing purchase order to the catalog. So what is your catalog? SKI catalog. So once again you have to make the connection. You have done your connection. So after creating this all, I'm going to groups. Now I'm going to groups. Now I'm creating my own group. ZSKI underscore group. Sree Krishna info. ఇంతకు ముందు ఏం రాస్తున్నాం catalog అని రాస్తున్నాం కదా ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాస్తున్నాం so this is my official name. Okay, automatically your tile is generated. Click on this tile right here. Otherwise, just go to F4. This is your catalog. In this catalog, I'm having purchase order. Already we are allocated for our access. Enter. The catalog is already added. Come back here. Okay. Then after, go to your Fiori apps. Look here. I'm going to main screen here. SU01. SU01. Change. What is your role? This is your role. Make the connection here. Give access. Enter and save. Then after, go to PFCG T code. Okay, so here I'm going to create another access. Actually, you can create your own or existing things. So I'm creating new one. So SKI, I'm creating new one. Create a single row. Go to transaction, Fiori app launchpad, catalog. What is your catalog? There, SKI. Again, I'm going to click on same, then go to group. What is my group? SKI underscore. It's activated. Save. The user is also activated. Come back. Go to SAP FIORI apps. Refresh. In this refresh, look here. What is my app launcher name? This is my create purchase order name. Okay, automatically our purchase order is generated. But here, what exactly you have to do? Go back, click on your title, edit your home page. Add group. Click here. Purchase order. Yes, done. Assign. Come back to the home. Now I got my own group, my purchase. If I'm not comfortable, just I will go click here, edit home. Click here, edit title information, purchase order number ME21N, description ME21N, subtitle PO. So now I got this basic information under here. So you click here and you can make process. So what exactly you have to create? First, you create groups. Because in my account payable, my one of end user will ask different kind of questions. And from the asset accounting, they will ask different kind of questions. So as a consultant, I have to create apps according to the core team members. And now this just try to check and maintain the notes. In the next class, I will give you descriptions, why we are using catalog and what is the purpose, the groups, and how to find out the roles and how many roles we have. Then everything I will give you description notes in next class. ఇక్కడ దాకా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఏంటి అంటే క్లాస్ విని నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ ఏ ప్రాసెస్ ఏం జరుగుతుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ I will explain theoretical way what exactly the consultant will do in reality with a different kind of examples. Any questions from previous class? Any questions from previous class? Am I audible for online?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Please, I will forward this link and please maintain running notes. Thank you. Have a great time.